Ever spotted a cockroach in your kitchen at night or woken up with mysterious bites? You might be rolling out the welcome mat for bugs without realizing it. These tiny intruders are experts at sneaking in, and often we're the ones making it easy for them. Today I'll show you the top 5 critical mistakes homeowners make that basically scream bugs welcome. And more importantly, how to fix them fast. So stick around because mistake number 4 shocked even me. Alright, let's talk moisture. We're going to dive deep into why moisture is a pest magnet, and more importantly, what you can do to eliminate it. Bugs need water. It's essential for their survival, just like it is for us. And even a tiny leak, something you might not even notice, can support a whole colony. So, grab a flashlight. It's time to become a moisture detective and check under every sink. Don't skip any. Pay close attention to the garbage disposal area, bathrooms, especially around the base of the toilet and the shower. Check the washing machine hoses and the drain. Look for drips. Even the smallest ones can be a sign of a bigger problem. Stains, those telltale signs of past or present moisture. Warped wood, a clear indication that water has been present for a while. Or musty smells, that's if it's damp in the morning, even slightly, you've got a leak. Tightened connections, sometimes that's all it takes to stop a small drip. Or replace worn washers and O-rings. Basements, especially if they're unfinished, are notorious for moisture problems. And crawl spaces are moisture traps. These areas are often dark, damp, and perfect for pests. Use a dehumidifier, especially in basements and crawl spaces, to pull excess moisture out of the air and keep humidity below 50%. This will make it much harder for pests to thrive. Check for hidden leaks. Bugs like cockroaches are especially drawn to moisture. So reducing humidity is key to making your home less attractive to them. Damp wood attracts termites who can cause serious structural damage to your home, and carpenter ants who tunnel through wood to build their nests. Mistake number 2, leaving food exposed. This is like sending out an all-you-can-eat buffet invitation to every bug in the neighborhood. We're talking ants, roaches, pantry moths, the whole crew. They're not picky eaters. Think of it as building a fortress around your food, protecting it from invaders. Cereal, flour, these are prime targets. Remember, bugs aren't just after your food, they're after your pet's food too, and those late night snacks. To spot hidden food residue on counters and floors, you'll be amazed. Don't forget under appliances, clean these areas regularly. Trash and recycling bins need tight lids and regular emptying. Overflowing bins are a breeding ground for bugs. The key: clean up spills immediately. Wipe down surfaces, get rid of crumbs. Clean floor is a happy floor and a bug-free floor. Store all food in airtight containers, including pet food. Clean under appliances and use a UV light for deep cleaning. Manage trash and recycling to cut off bug food sources. Close the kitchen permanently for pests. Now, mistake number 3, leaving entry points unsealed. Bugs can squeeze through the tiniest gaps. Use a smoke stick or incense to find air leaks around doors, windows, and where pipes enter your home. Seal small cracks with caulk. Use expanding foam for larger gaps. Install or replace door sweeps to block gaps under exterior doors. Check attic vents and dryer ducts. Repair screens and make sure vent covers close properly. Inspect window screens for rips or holes and repair as needed. Seal around all utility entry points, pipes, wires, cables with caulk or foam. Walk your home's perimeter inside and out, looking for gaps bugs could use. Sealing entry points keeps bugs out and improves energy efficiency. Tackle one area at a time, windows, doors, vents, until your home is locked down. Close off bug superhighways and make your home a fortress. Mistake number 4, neglecting your yard. Landscaping can be a giant welcome mat for bugs. Trim bushes and tree branches at least 18 inches from your home to eliminate pest bridges. Avoid piling wood mulch against your foundation. Use gravel or cedar mulch instead and create a dry zone next to your house. Store firewood at least 20 feet from your home and off the ground. Rake leaves, mow grass, and keep gutters clear to reduce moisture and hiding spots. Eliminate standing water. Empty anything that collects rain and fix drainage so water flows away from your foundation. Inspect your foundation for cracks and seal them with masonry filler. Think of this as building a defensive perimeter. Less habitat means fewer bugs at your doorstep. The less inviting your yard, the fewer pests will try to get inside. Mistake number 5, clutter and cleaning neglect. But when it comes to pest control, neglecting clutter and cleanliness can be a major invitation for unwanted guests. And these dark, sheltered spots quickly become breeding spots, allowing infestations to grow rapidly. Cardboard boxes are bug magnets. They're warm, provide food, the glue. Switch to sealable plastic bins for storage. These are much less attractive to pests and prevent them from getting inside. Deep clean behind and under appliances at least twice a year. These areas are often overlooked but are prime real estate for crumbs, spills and dust. These spots are bug resorts. The warmth from the appliances combined with the readily available food source makes them incredibly attractive to pests like roaches and ants. Vacuum pantry shelves regularly and baseboards regularly to remove food particles and dust, which are basically a buffet for many common household pests. And declutter and clean it. Store fabrics clean and sealed to prevent moth and beetles from turning your favorite clothes into a snack. These pests can cause significant damage to natural fibers. Minimize piles of newspapers, magazines and unused items. These are perfect nesting materials for many pests, including rodents and insects. Less clutter. Regular decluttering disrupts bug breeding cycles, making it harder for them to establish a population in your home and makes infestations less likely. A proactive approach to decluttering is a key component of effective pest prevention. Don't forget laundry rooms and utility closets. These areas often become catch-alls for clutter and can be breeding grounds for pests due to moisture and undisturbed storage. Quick vacuuming goes a long way in removing dust, lint and potential food sources for pests in these often neglected areas. A clean, clutter-free home is less inviting to bugs. It signals that resources are scarce and that their chances of survival are lower and easier to monitor for problems. Early detection is crucial in preventing minor pest issues from becoming major infestations. Tackle cardboard, get rid of those tempting cardboard condos. Deep clean, don't let those bug resorts thrive in your home, and join the #bug sweep challenge. Let's make our homes less hospitable to unwanted guests. A little effort goes a long way in keeping pests at bay and enjoying a healthier, happier home.